1. Attention car enthusiasts, I present to you a classic gem, the 1984 Mazda B2000 Sundowner. This beauty has been driven for 192,000 miles and still runs like a dream. With its manual transmission, you'll have full control over this beige-on-beige stunner. Under the hood, you'll find a Weber swap, giving it that extra kick you didn't know you needed. But don't worry, the original parts are included in the sale, so you can switch back if you prefer. The truck has had only 2 owners, and I was lucky enough to buy it from the original owner a few years ago. They even handed over some neat old service records, so you know this truck has been well taken care of. I've made sure to keep it in top shape by installing new tires, batteries, and giving it a tune-up since I've owned it. And let's not forget about the fuel cell in the back. The original tank had a leak, but that's all been taken care of now. I hate to part with this truck, as it's been a joy to drive. But unfortunately, I don't get to enjoy it as much as I'd like to. So for the low price of $3,000, this Mazda can be yours. Don't miss out on this rare find. 2. Feast your eyes on this stunning 1985 Chevrolet Camaro, a true gem in the world of vintage automobiles. With only 49,668 miles on the odometer, this beauty has been meticulously maintained and is now ready for a new owner to cherish. The automatic transmission ensures a smooth ride, while the powerful 305 V8 engine roars with classic American muscle. The exterior of this Camaro is a pristine white, a true testament to the care and attention it has received over the years. The red interior is equally impressive, with plush seats and fully loaded electronic goodies that will transport you back to the 80s. The power steering and brakes make for easy handling, and the T-tops add a touch of fun and excitement to every drive. This vehicle has had 3+ owners, but it has been paid off and comes with a clean title. There is no significant damage or problems, making it a reliable and safe choice for any collector or Camaro enthusiast. The original documents and factory wheels are in excellent condition, and upgrades include an updated AC system, a retro-styled radio, tinted windows, and new seals replaced a few years ago. At $12,500, this Camaro is a steal. Don't miss out on the opportunity to own a piece of automotive history that combines classic charm with modern convenience. Whether you're a seasoned collector or simply a fan of vintage cars, this Camaro is sure to turn heads and make a lasting impression. 3. Check out this stunning 1978 Chevrolet Corvette, currently up for sale for just $15,000. With only 89,000 miles on the odometer, this classic beauty has been well cared for by its 2 previous owners. The automatic transmission makes for a smooth and easy ride, while the black exterior and black leather interior give it a sleek and sophisticated look. This Corvette is fully loaded with all the bells and whistles, including T-tops, power windows, and a tilt column. The original blue and yellow plates add a touch of nostalgia, and the 2024 tags mean you won't have to worry about renewing them for a while. According to the seller, this vehicle has no significant damage or problems, and the clean title means you can drive it off the lot with confidence. The interior is in good condition, and the engine runs smoothly. Don't miss your chance to own this piece of automotive history. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just a fan of classic cars, this Chevrolet Corvette is sure to turn heads and make you the envy of all your friends. 4. If you're a fan of vintage cars, then you'll love this 1974 Fiat 124 Spider that's currently up for sale. With its classic brown exterior and black interior, this car is a true beauty that's sure to turn heads. The seller has driven it for the past year and a half, and it's been a reliable daily driver with no need for a smog check. The car has an automatic transmission and has been driven 90,000 miles, but it's still in great condition and ready for a new owner to take it on as a project. With some restoration work, this Fiat 124 Spider could be completely restored to its original stage, making it a true collector's item. At just $4,500, this Fiat 124 is a steal for any vintage car enthusiast. Don't miss your chance to own this fun and classic car. 5. Attention all vintage car enthusiasts. Feast your eyes on this stunning 1975 Nissan Datsun 710 Wagon, now available for sale at an unbeatable price of $7,800. With only 70,000 miles on the odometer, this beauty is in excellent condition and has been meticulously maintained from front to back. Under the hood, you'll find a factory 4-cylinder L20B motor with twin SU carburetors that runs flawlessly. The 4-speed manual transmission shifts smoothly through all gears, providing a thrilling driving experience. And with a complete exhaust system that's brand new, you'll enjoy a quiet and comfortable ride. The exterior of this car is a sight to behold, with a gorgeous blue paint job that's in amazing condition. The Libra-style aluminum rims add a touch of sophistication, while the 4 new tires ensure a smooth and safe ride. And let's not forget about the AC, which blows cold and will keep you comfortable even on the hottest days. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a sleek black interior that's in pristine condition. The leather 280Z bucket seats are like new and provide ample support and comfort for long drives. The car needs a bit of finishing inside, but with some minor touch-ups, it will be perfect. The current owner has been using this wagon to transport his vintage go-kart to local events, and it has never failed to turn heads. In fact, it just completed a 320-mile round trip to an import car show in northern Arizona, where it received a lot of thumbs up. Don't miss out on this rare opportunity to own a piece of automotive history. This Datsun 710 is a true gem that's sure to impress. 6. Check out this stunning 1976 Pontiac Grand Prix that is now up for sale. With only 40,620 miles on it, this beauty has been well taken care of and is in excellent condition. The automatic transmission makes for a smooth and easy ride, while the clean title ensures that you won't have any unexpected surprises down the road. The exterior of this Pontiac is a rich chocolate brown that is sure to turn heads. The split waterfall grille and revised headlight layout give it a classic look that is sure to impress. Under the hood, you'll find a 355 CID V8 engine that runs and drives great. The base engine in the Grand Prix LJ was a 400 cubic inch 6.5-liter Pontiac 5.8 with 4-barrel carburetor rated at 170 horsepower and 310 pound-feet. The interior of this car is just as impressive as the exterior, with a tangerine orange color scheme that is both retro and modern at the same time. The seats are comfortable and supportive, making this car perfect for long drives. Overall, this Grand Prix is a true classic that is sure to bring a smile to your face every time you get behind the wheel. With its beautiful exterior, comfortable interior, and reliable engine, it's the perfect car for anyone who loves vintage vehicles. And with a price tag of just $11,000, it's an affordable option for anyone who wants to own a piece of automotive history. So don't wait. Come check out this amazing car today. 7. If you're a fan of classic cars, then you won't want to miss this stunning 1966 Mercury Comet Capri that is currently up for sale. With only 41,500 original miles on the clock, this beauty has been well taken care of and is in excellent condition. The exterior of the car is a gorgeous off-white color that is sure to turn heads, while the tan interior is all original and in great shape. The car is powered by a 289 V8 engine and features an automatic transmission, making it a smooth and comfortable ride. One of the best things about this car is that it has no significant damage or problems. The seller has taken great care of it and has recently replaced several parts, including the carb gasket, distributor cap and rotor, points, and condenser. The car also comes with several extra parts, including an original breather, AC compressor, fog lights, an extra carburetor, and a spare tire in the trunk. The rust on this car is minimal, and the body is very straight, making it a great candidate for a restoration project or just a fun car to drive around town. The car has air conditioning, which is a rare find in a car of this age, and it's a sweet ride that is sure to put a smile on your face. The current owner bought the car from a gentleman who had it in his barn for 15 years and only drove it twice a year in the parade. This car has been well loved and well cared for, and it's ready for a new owner to enjoy. With a clean title and no liens, this car is ready to hit the road. The asking price of $7,000 is a steal for a car of this quality and rarity. Don't miss your chance to own a piece of automotive history with this beautiful Mercury Comet. 8. Do you love classic cars? Then you can't pass by this unique find, the 1954 Plymouth Plaza, currently available for purchase at $10,500. This model is a true legend in the automotive world, and now you have the opportunity to become its new owner. This car has a mileage of 118,421 miles, but despite that, it runs excellently and drives beautifully. This Plymouth Plaza is equipped with a manual transmission, allowing you to have full control over the movement and enjoy the driving experience. The exterior of the car is painted in a beautiful blue color that perfectly complements its classic design. The interior of the car has also been well preserved, creating a cozy atmosphere. The seller describes this car as a good old car that has been stored inside and well cared for. It's a 6-cylinder car with a 3-speed transmission, ensuring a smooth and comfortable ride. If you're looking for a classic car that is not only beautiful but also reliable, then the Plymouth Plaza is exactly what you need. Don't miss this unique opportunity to become the owner of this legendary car. 9. Do you love vintage cars? Then you can't do without this gem, the 1970 Mercury Cougar XR7. This model is a true classic and a perfect candidate for restoration. The seller is offering this car for $4,100, which is an excellent price for such a rare vehicle. The 351 Cleveland engine and FMX automatic transmission work flawlessly, and the car has only traveled 81,000 miles. The exterior and interior of the car are in blue, which perfectly complements the chrome details. The car has all the necessary options, such as air conditioning, AM/FM radio, tachometer, clock, console, horn button, leather seats, and even door speakers. Although the car needs restoration, it is fully complete and has original parts. This means you can save thousands of dollars on searching for and buying spare parts. While the car is not currently running, it was in good condition when parked. The seller noted that the battery, brakes, and exhaust system need replacement. Additionally, repairs to the quarter panels, door corner sections, and driver's floor will be required. But despite this, with some effort, you can turn this car into a perfect daily driver. This Cougar XR7 is a real find for any collector or vintage car enthusiast. Don't miss this opportunity and make it a part of your collection today. 10. Do you adore vintage cars? Then you will undoubtedly appreciate this 1964 Volkswagen McLaren Coupe, currently available for purchase at $10,000. This car has only covered 68,000 miles and is in excellent condition. The Volkswagen McLaren is equipped with a 1600 DP engine and a 4-speed manual transmission that operates perfectly. When you sit behind the wheel of this car, you'll feel how smoothly and responsively it reacts to every one of your movements. The exterior of the car is painted in a beautiful blue color that perfectly complements its classic design. The interior is also in excellent condition, and all functions such as lighting, wipers, and the radio work without any issues. Built on the Ghia platform known for its durability and reliability, this Volkswagen McLaren has undergone thorough restoration and is in perfect condition for driving. If you're in search of a classic car that stands out among modern models, then this Volkswagen McLaren is an ideal choice for you. It not only looks magnificent, but also operates perfectly. Don't miss the opportunity to become the owner of this unique car today. 11. If you're a fan of classic cars, you won't want to miss this 1972 Oldsmobile 88 that's currently up for sale. With only 55,000 miles on the odometer, this one-owner vehicle is in excellent condition and has been well maintained over the years. The exterior of the car is a beautiful brown color that's sure to turn heads, while the tan interior is both stylish and comfortable. The car has an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline, making it both practical and fun to drive. One of the best things about this Oldsmobile is that it's all original. With a 350 rocket engine and 350 transmission, it runs, drives, and stops great, and the frame and floors are like new. The car has been garage kept and comes with all the original paperwork, including the window sticker. At $6,000, this Oldsmobile is a steal for any classic car enthusiast. It's paid off and ready to hit the road, so don't miss your chance to own a piece of automotive history. Whether you're a collector or just someone who appreciates a good ride, this car is sure to impress. 12. Do you adore vintage cars? Then you'll definitely appreciate this classic 1974 Mercedes-Benz SL, currently available for purchase at $8,700. This car has covered 144,000 miles. But don't be alarmed by this number. It underwent professional restoration by Lanelli Motors in 2019, with cosmetic restoration done in 2020. The car runs excellently and boasts several advantages you won't find in modern cars. For instance, it features a beautiful blue exterior and an elegant brown interior. It also has an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The car has no significant damages or issues, and it's fully paid, meaning you'll have a clean title. Additionally, it comes with new tires and good brakes, and it can accommodate 2 golf sets in the trunk. Some potential buyers might be concerned about the lack of air conditioning, but this shouldn't be an issue as the car was produced in an era when air conditioners were not as common. Moreover, it's in excellent condition and is perfect for those who love classic cars and want to own a unique and stylish vehicle. Overall, if you're looking for a classic car that stands out among modern vehicles, has an excellent condition, and a great history, the Mercedes-Benz would be an ideal choice. Don't miss the opportunity and take a closer look at this car today.